the Paper Slayer 5000. Epson DS-530 II will eat your office chaos for breakfast, no ketchup needed. If paperwork is your nemesis, meet your new sidekick, Epson DS-530 II, aka the Paper Slayer. This beast doesn't just scan, it devours chaos at up to 35 pages per minute, or 70 images if it's feelin' spicy. It's the Bruce Lee of scanners, compact, lightning fast, and stylishly silent while busting through contracts, receipts, business cards, and IDs. With OCR software built in, it even turns messy docs into editable files. Word, Excel, PowerPoint, you name it. Skip the clutter, skip the manual entry. Say hello to searchability, automation, and sweet sanity. Let's talk flexibility that flexes hard. The DS-530 II's got a 50-page auto-document feeder that doesn't cry when you toss in business cards, long papers up to 240 inches, or folded pages as big as 11 by 17 inches. It's like a yoga master for documents, bends without breaking. Crumpled invoice? No problem. Fragile form with a sticky note? It skips the drama and scans with finesse using double feed detection skip and active separation roller systems. Forget scanners that jam like a middle school band, this thing handles variety like a 5-star chef handles spice. Other scanners out there? Slower than your cousin's dial-up. The Epson DS-530 II runs a 4,000 sheet per day duty cycle, meaning it's built for businesses that move at warp speed. With auto-crop, auto-rotation, dirt detection, and blank page removal, it cleans up your scan like a neat freak on espresso. Plus, TWAIN and ISIS drivers ensure it plays nice with almost every document management system. Translation? Seamless workflows, no drama, no IT guy's wrath. Just plug it in, USB style, and go full productivity mode. Want to make it rain time and money? This scanner literally helps you cut manual entry, ditch filing cabinets, and automate repetitive tasks with Document Capture Pro software. You scan once, and boom, it uploads to the cloud, turns into searchable PDFs, or generates editable files. It even connects to SharePoint, Evernote, Dropbox, and Google Drive, so your documents are basically teleporting to where you need them. Compare that to old-school scanners that just scan. This one does the job in your follow-up emails. Here's the final mic drop. It's compact, durable, whisper quiet, and backed by a 3-year warranty with next-day replacement. So even if your clumsy coworker spills coffee on it, Epson's got your back. For the price? It's a no-brainer. Whether you're running a legal office, a startup, or just waging war on paper clutter at home, the Epson DS-530 II is a fast, fierce, and fully loaded document dominator. This isn't a scanner, it's a statement.